Wait, can you see?
I have to see what's going. Oh, it is. Yeah.
Alright, wait, let's see.
Oh my.
I'm scared, I'm scared. Scared.
Okay.
It looks like poop. I mean, it looks like it looks like ice cream. It looks like ice cream though.
Ew. Oh my god. My shoe. Oh my god.
Like, this is not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Oh! Whoa! That was a little gross.
And she's like,
Ew! That like turns people on. That was not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. People seriously, wow, that was not bad. That wasn't that bad.
Lori like
No.